Ditch the project management chaos and unlock streamlined productivity by turning Airtable into your ultimate project hub. First, let's create a new base from scratch. This gives us complete control over the setup. Click the plus icon on the left sidebar and choose Start from Scratch to get a fresh, empty base ready for customization. Rename your base to something descriptive like Project Management. Double-click the base name at the top to edit it, then rename the default table to Tasks, which will be the heart of our project tracking. Now, let's add some crucial columns to track your tasks effectively. Add a status column using a single select field with options like To Do, In Progress, and Completed. Include an Assignee column as a collaborator field to assign tasks to team members. Set up a Due Date column using the Date field type and enable reminders to stay on schedule. Lastly, add a Priority column as a single select field with options like High, Medium, and Low. To visualize your workflow, create a Kanban view by clicking the plus icon next to Grid View at the top. Group the cards by the status field to see tasks move through each stage. Drag and drop tasks between columns to update their status instantly. Next, create a calendar view to visualize deadlines by clicking the plus icon next to the Kanban view. Configure the view to display tasks based on their due date. This will provide a clear overview of upcoming deadlines. Finally, let's set up a simple automation to streamline communication. Create a new automation that triggers when a record enters the completed status. The action can be sending an email to the project manager or a notification in Slack to celebrate your team's accomplishments. And there you have it, a powerful, personalized project management system in Airtable. Customize it further with more fields, views, and automations to perfectly fit your team's needs. Now go conquer your projects with Airtable.